Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for SQQQ. The report was first published on our website Monday, September 26, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SQQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the SQQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 3.938. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 21.32% since we first told you to buy SQQQ 10 days ago. This is an average return of 2.13% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for SQQQ as ETF downgraded to buy candidate. The SQQQ ETF price gained 1.26% on the last trading day, Monday, September 26, 2022, rising from $56.26 to $56.97. It has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that ETFs manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.76% from a day low at $53.86 to a day high of $57.50. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 41.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -11 million shares, and in total, 162 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.25 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $67.69, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 15.84%, or $10.72, below 52-week high, and 92.95%, or $751.50, below all-time high March 12, 2020, where the price hit $808.47. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -10.29% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -52.06% and -10.29%. The 12-month trend indicates a 31.34% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -56.89% and 63.06%. This equals a price between $24.56 and $92.89 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SQQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. The SQQQ ETF holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $52.12 and $43.03. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has risen 70.31%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 30 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 189 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $51.78 and $47.23. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SQQQ finds support just below today's level at $51.78. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $47.23 and $46.96. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.64 between high and low, or 6.76%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 6.74%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $57.62. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $51.78, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $55.15, minus 3.20%. This ETF has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 29 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ETF to perform well in the short term. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 27th, we expect SQQQ to open down minus 86 cents and start trading at $56.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.